Hello everyone, I am Mamusta Hamza. We will learn subject pronouns in this lesson. So let's start. We have, as you see, subject pronouns here and example sentences. I will pronounce it for you. Then I want you to repeat after me, please. So as, de, de, أو, أو, أم, أم, هن, هن, أو, أو. So, what are the meanings of these pronouns? As, it means I. As جر I am from Raha. Tu, it means you. Tu جقرسي you are from Qars. أو, it means he, she, and it. All of them together the same in Kurdish. So, أو جقوسرية. He is from Qosar, or she is from Qosar, or it is from Qosar. Am, it means we. Am Ahmedine. We are from Ahmed. Hun, it means you in plural form. Hun Samsurine. You are from Samsur. أو, it means they. أو جوانين. They are from one. So, in this topic, in this subject pronoun, you should know that أو and the other أو are the same in writing, but when you see these uh, inflections, ne and ye, you see one of them is singular, I mean this one, and the other one is plural, so you should be careful. This lesson ends here. Goodbye, take care.